My name is Ed Busch. I've been practicing law in Florida for over 40 years, handling primarily workers' compensation and personal injury cases. At this point in my career, I do consider myself, experienced, very skillful. I've obtained literally millions of dollars in settlements on behalf of my clients over, these many years. Now, am I the only attorney that's competent and experienced to handle these kind of cases? Of course not. There are innumerable, very skillful, very qualified, very competent lawyers who handle these kinds of cases. But what I do believe that sets my firm apart from other firms is service. Now, what do I mean by service when it comes to a law firm? Oftentimes clients come into my office and have had an accident and have already retained or hired another attorney, but they're unhappy and they want to change lawyers. And what's the reason? What I don't hear is my lawyer is not smart, or he doesn't know what he's doing, or he doesn't know the law. That's not what I ever hear. I always hear the same thing. My lawyer doesn't talk to me. He doesn't return phone calls. I don't know what's going on with my case. I can't ever get to see him. Now that's one complaint that clients in my office will never hear, because there's a sign in my office. It says, if we don't treat our clients well, someone else will. And that's true, and that's our motto, that's our mantra. That's what we practice, that's what we believe. And not only myself, but my staff. My staff has been with me for a long time. My paralegal, Carmen Trino, has been with me for over 25 years. My legal assistant, Denise Gonzalez, has been with me for over 18 years. My office manager, Iris Dunbar, has been with me for over 30 years. All these people have one thing in common. It might sound simple, but it's important. They're all very, very nice people. And what does that mean? Why is that important? Because nice people treat other people nicely, with respect. I could have 100 cases, but I understand, everyone in my office understands that every client only has one case, and that's extremely important to them. So from our point of view, every case is as important as every other case. That's what every single client deserves. So most of the time when people call a lawyer, it ain't good news. They have a problem. Sometimes it involves an accident at work, or a slip and fall, or a automobile accident, which I wouldn't wish on anybody, because that's not a good thing. But if you have the misfortune of having an accident at work, or an automobile accident, or slip and fall, and you sustain an injury that requires medical care, give me a call. If you simply have questions that you want answered, I'll be happy to answer them over the phone or in person. There'll be no charge and no fee. Be happy to meet with you at any time. So again, if you have a problem or an issue, please give me a call. I would certainly appreciate that.